Hello guys, hope you all are doing excellent. Today we will discuss about the life journey of the most talented Indian playback singer, Mr. Arijit Singh. Arijit Singh is one of the most prominent and celebrated playback singers in the Indian music industry. His life journey is a testament to his talent, hard work, and determination. Here is a brief overview of Arijit Singh's life journey. Arijit Singh was born on April 25, 1987 in Jiaganj, Murshidabad, West Bengal, India. He showed an interest in music from a young age and started learning music at the age of 3. Arijit received his formal training in music from the Rajendra Prasad Hazari and trained in classical music from the late Pandit Tushar Datta. He also learned music at the Sangeet Research Academy in Kolkata. Arijit Singh's journey to fame began when he participated in the reality show called Fame Gurukul in 2005. Though he did not win, it was a valuable experience and exposure for him. After the reality show, Arijit struggled to find a foothold in the music industry. He worked as a music programmer and lent his voice to various ad jingles. This period was challenging, but it also helped him hone his skills. Breakthrough in Bollywood. Arijit's big break in Bollywood came with the song Fir Mohabbat from the movie Mother 2 in 2011. The song was a massive hit and established him as a playback singer in the industry. After his breakthrough, Arijit Singh's career soared. He delivered one hit after another with the song like Tum Hi Ho from Asiki 2, Channa Maria from Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, and many more. His soulful voice and emotional rendition made him a favorite among both fans and filmmakers. Awards and recognition. Arijit Singh has won numerous awards and accolades throughout his career, including National Film Awards, Filmfare Awards, and many more. His songs have become anthem and he is considered one of the best playback singers in the country. Arijit Singh is known for his versatility. He can sing romantic ballad, peppy numbers, and soulful tracks with equal finesse. His ability to adapt to various music genres has contributed to his immense popularity. Personal life. Arijit Singh is known to be a private person and not much is known about his personal life. He is married to Koil Roy and they have 2 children together. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you all. Be happy and enjoy a lot. Thank you so much.